Welcome back to another product unboxing video. Today we are unboxing the SD5A AI PTZ, fully feature rich. We have a couple of these, 2 megapixels, 4 megapixels and 8 megapixels. Today we have the 4 megapixel version, so let's get this down and let's take a look at a couple of features and the camera itself. Okay, now we'll start off with the accessories as always. So of course on the inside of the box we of course have the actual gloves that's used for handling the PTZ, keep the lens nice and clean, for example. We have strong bolts for securing the wall mount bracket to the wall and of course keeping that secure and safe. We have a couple of Allen keys inside the box. We have a waterproof RJ45 connection. And most importantly, we have the safety cable. The safety cable is used to connect the PTZ to the wall mount bracket, so in the event of a fall, then of course it will fall to its safety cable length. Okay? On the inside of this model, we do actually include the wall mount bracket. The wall mount bracket comes with the actual PTZ, and of course this is the one designed to take the weight of the PTZ. And the camera also comes with its own 24-volt UK 3-pin plug. Okay, so there's our accessories. Let's get the camera up here. So I'll move these out of the way. Okay. Okay, so this is our 4 megapixels 45 times zoom AI PTZ. Very feature rich. We have smart motion detection, so the camera has the ability to know the difference between a human and a vehicle. We have tripwire intrusion, and most importantly we have auto tracking. So of course this camera has the ability to be able to follow you within the field of view, and then of course when you leave the field of view it will go back doing whatever it was doing, preset, patrol, pattern, so on and so forth. We have H.265, so we've got the higher level of compression. We have the IP67 ingress protection rating, and it's IK10 approved, which means the actual lens can take a hit and look after its own. Okay, so the camera within itself is very feature rich. The motors are very low noise motors. It's very common to hear a PTZ on the other side of the wall, like a SD6 or a very large PTZ. However, though, it's very unlikely for you to hear this camera on the other side of a brick wall whenever it's doing its patrol or pattern, because it's very, very quiet. The unique ball formation on the bottom then of course will make it very difficult to see the lens position any more than 15 or 20 meters away. 15 or 20 meters away, it will be very difficult for you to see if it was looking towards you or away from you or at you. Okay, so the actual camera comes with very, very feature rich toys, and of course in this case it's all front end. It all happens in the camera's head. Okay guys, I think this is going to be a very popular PTZ, so of course we may do some configuration videos on this, and of course obviously just watch this space meantime. Okay, all the best.